안녕하세요. Hello K-friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to introduce a dish called enoki egg recipe. A few days ago, I poured egg mixture over enoki mushrooms and cooked it in a pan. And they turn out so savory and tasty. It's really easy to make, but the taste is excellent. Shall we make it together? How to make a dipping sauce. Put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of water to make it less salty. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Add 1 teaspoon of honey or sugar. Mix it well. If you have a green onion, slice thinly. I will use it as a garnish later. This is optional. These are the enoki mushrooms I will be using today. I bought them at a Korean market. I will use 2 packs of enoki mushrooms today. Cut the ends of the enoki mushrooms. Hold the enoki mushrooms like this and rinse them once under running water. Shake off the excess water like this and squeeze the ends with your hands. After rinsing the enoki mushrooms with water, press them with a kitchen towel to remove the extra moisture. Put 4 to 5 eggs in a bowl. Add a pinch of salt. You can also add a little pepper according to your taste. If you don't like dipping in soy sauce, you can add about 2 pinches of salt. Put about 1 tablespoon of oil in a preheated pan. Place the enoki mushrooms in the pan little by little. Pour a bit of the egg mixture over the enoki mushrooms. Shape them nicely. Cook them over medium-low heat. When the bottom side becomes lightly golden brown, flip them once in the middle. Wow, smells so savory and delicious. Once they are fully cooked, transfer them to a plate. You can cook the rest in the same way. Very savory and delicious enoki mushroom is done. How was today's recipe? It can be great as an appetizer or a side dish. I highly recommend you try making it. Thanks for watching. I will see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.